All right, welcome back. So we're looking at another practice activity from Lesson 3, Code.org Drawing and Game Lab. And this one can be a little bit confusing and a little difficult. We're going to create this pattern right here, and we're going to fill it with a bunch of ellipses. And if you kind of read the do this, it says use the fill block to color your shapes purple. So we should probably do that first. Okay, and if we don't want yellow, we would like purple. So we'll just go ahead and spell this in here. And then it says use 12 ellipse blocks to create the triangle shape in the image to the right. Hint, pay attention to the order of your ellipse blocks to make sure they're overlapping. Notice this one is probably drawn first, and then this one is over top of it, and then this one's over top that, this one's over top that, and so on. It goes around. So we really need to find out the first location and then kind of move the next one down and to the right a little bit and so on. And then we're going to actually have a series of 5 of them going across to the left, or 4, and then 4 more going up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on this a little bit. We're going to need a bunch of ellipses. So let's go ahead and, well, let's start with those 2 first. So let's try to find what we think is a good spot here. So we'll do let's do 250. And then 120. And let's see where that's located. Okay, so that didn't work. Kind of, it's an outlier out there a little bit. We want it more this direction. Let's do 225. And we can always make a grid over here too and kind of get an idea. So we're probably looking in here. And let's just, I think we're close. I think we need to adjust this just a little bit. So let's just make this 125. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, so our next one then is we want to move down this direction. So we're going to have to increase both our X and our Y. So let's do 250. The whole idea is trying to find a pattern to this. So if we increase both of these by 25, we should go down a half of one of these blocks, basically, because each one is 50 by 50. So let's go ahead and run another one. Ah, there we go. That's kind of perfect, right? So now we're going to do, that's one of them, and 2, this is our second one right here, and we'll do 2 more. So let's go ahead and drop these in here. And let's just go ahead and increase these 275 by 175. And there you go. So there's another one. And we'll do this one right here. And let's do that to 200. Oh, we already have that. And there we go. So now we have this direction kind of working for us. And you can see that we have this pattern going. Now we're going to move actually this direction, but keep it on the same axis as this current one. So these that we're going to have are going to be, we're going to keep these to 200 because we want to move along that axis. And we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, it looks like. Let's give that a try. So this is our first one, so let's go ahead and let's just try 200, 200. Ah. That put us over there. That's really not what we want. Let's go ahead. Well, let's just tinker with these a little bit and see how we do. Let's actually, let's go ahead and keep with the pattern here for a second and let's give it a try. So we have this 200. Let's do this 225. And then 250. And then 275, and I think, let's see what that looks like. Okay, so not too bad. We kind of are a little messed up here, but I think this will be okay. And then we'll do one more. There we go. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, so now we just need to have a couple more here. So we'll do, well, now we need to make our way up. And then because we're here, we want to work this way. So we'll do, now we're going to keep these on this same 200 right here and then change these values. So let's do 200 by 175 and see what that gets us. There we go. We'll do another one by 150. And what do we need to do here? Maybe 2 more? Yeah, I think 2 more. So this would be 125. And we'll do 1 more. 100. There. I think those look pretty close. All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.